Hello from Slovenia again. Today I'm experimenting a little bit again. I will use degreaser when you clean some things, I think that it's called. And I have three primary colors and black and white. And I'm planning to pour some of those colors on this 12 by 12 inch canvas, and then I will swipe over with black and use the degreaser detergent for create some effects. So we will see. So I kind of want to just drizzle some paint around. I will start with the yellow. Maybe in kind of a circle way. I will swipe that so it will, change, mix a little bit. I will just add some white here around and on the canvas. I don't know, I've never done that, so let's see what will happen. I have primary yellow, I have phthalo blue, and permanent magenta, and white and black. Maybe I will even spin this out before I will tilt. Swipe, I should say, not tilt. Okay. Okay. So this is the first part. And I mixed my paints only with a little bit of acrylic binder and water, and all are mixed the same. No special formulas or something, because I'm expecting to get some effect from the degreaser, or what is called. So I will basically just swipe over that, and I'm not expecting something to happen because there is no, additives here. But I'm expecting that things will happen when I will drizzle some of that detergent on. Really like this so far. Just have to swipe over this guy here. Maybe I will not even drizzle some of the detergent on, because this painting is kind of cool. Really interesting. I know I like that edge, but I have to tilt some of the paint off because there is just way too much paint on the canvas still. So many cells. Really interesting. So here is a close-up of the wet results, and I love it. I love how those look like they are glowing, so they match to that galaxy look with all those cells. I really love them. Such a cool thing, and I see an angel here or something, or you can call me crazy. So hopefully I will manage to show you the dry results too, so stay tuned. So here is a close-up. I went outside because it's so hard to catch all this stuff inside because it's rainy here. So cool. I love it. It has very galactic vibe. I think that I like this orientation the most because it looks almost like galactic wave or something. And this guy is still here. Love it. So I will say that this experiment was a good one. Have a good weekend and see you on the next one. Bye.